Namaste. On behalf of Shobit University family, I congratulate all proud Shobitians, our alumni, students, faculty members, staff members, and well-wishers. A very happy Republic Day. A day to remember about the sacrifices of our ancestors. A day to remember the commitment we made to ourselves. A day to remember our rights and our duties too. Last year was a tough year for the world. Due to the pandemic, we all suffered economically, socially, and many of us suffered personally. I hope that this year will be a wonderful year full of opportunity and possibilities. Even though last year the country, the world was in dark, but under the dynamic leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Bhai Modi ji, we had courage, we had hope, we had aspiration. And the result of that is that today India has come up as a center of health. Vaccine developed by our scientists, our researchers, is in demand globally. Last year, the new education policy 2020 was also introduced to the country. I convey my thanks and compliments to Honorable Minister of Education, Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank ji, for doing so. This policy has given us a flexibility. This policy has given us a possibility to do innovations more, to do interdisciplinary research, to decide when, what I will like to study and read and teach, and to see that in higher education system or in primary education system, everybody is involved. A very inclusive education system has been envisioned in the new education policy. Last year, our farmers and our teachers and health workers, they worked as warriors. We all have to pay our regards to them. We have to see that our Ganatantra does not convert itself into a mob tantra or into a hut tantra. Because since few months, we are seeing that in the country, certain forces are trying to disturb the complete nation. We may have disagreements. We may not agree to each other, but there are better ways of discussion, deliberations, debates, and decision making than converting the system into a mob tantra. We have to stop it. New education policy has given an opportunity to our youth also. I request all the young boys and girls, students, just to earn a degree, there are more avenues. But now, let us work together for new innovations. As I always say, that we all have to work to empower our nation through education. And I hope that the word success, we will try to convert it, change it with the word progress. Many times we are happy with our individual success, but that is very selfish success. Remember those who sacrificed their lives for the nation. Even now on the border, every day, somebody is sacrificing his life for you, for me, for our future. They are sacrificing, they are working, they are devoted for the progress of the nation. Let's work in that direction. I will like to request Shobhitians, a big responsibility is there on you. As your university is working in multidisciplinary areas, right from the latest agricultural informatics to the ancient Ayurveda, yoga, and naturopathy, we have to see the possibilities how we can work in multidisciplinary areas. Please look into the problems at local level and let us try to find solutions through innovation, through innovative thinking. I request the research scholars of the university, whatever research papers you are publishing, however, it is important to have an impact factor, but it is more important for us that social impact of your research is there or not. Please look into that also. I request to the teachers that our work as a university is not only to disseminate information. As a university, our job is to create new knowledge, to integrate that knowledge with the industry, and that to see the application of that knowledge and dissemination of that knowledge. Let us work in that direction. The country is the youngest country, we have heard it. But remember, we are the youngest country with the most ancient culture, traditions, and history. We have to acknowledge that also. Our country was always known for diversity. We always honored the ideas of others. We believed in Shastrat, debates. Let us do that. It is not necessary that everybody will agree what you or I am telling, but it is necessary to understand, to listen what others are telling. And this is what, as a university, we are trying to do when we say we do not discriminate in any way with any of our student, staff member, or anybody in our ecosystem. We have to work for the empowerment of those who could not afford to join a university due to any reason. And I'm happy that through your SEIZ, that initiative has been started. Your skill, entrepreneurship, innovation zone of the university. Let us strengthen that. The country needs entrepreneurs. And through the TBI, which has been funded and sponsored by MSME, Shobhit University is generating new ideas. Let us work in that direction. Many of the boys and girls we have seen, they do not know what to do, and nobody is there to guide them. I am happy that through your STEP initiative, Student Transition and Empowerment Program, our team is reaching out to school children, not only to those schools, those who can afford to have a counselor, but to those schools in rural areas also, where nobody is willing to go. We have to work more intensively for these children, to make them understand, to give them an opportunity to understand what they want to do. My best compliments to our teachers, those who worked hard in hard months of Corona pandemic. in spite of the fact that many of them were not much familiar with the technology, with the digital world. Everybody contributed and ensured that learning continues. But with learning now, we have to develop unlearning skills also, so that we can relearn the new technology, the new possibilities, the new normal. My best compliments to everybody in the university, right from our Ayurveda team and all other people in Shobit University Meerut, those who worked hard to ensure that during pandemic time, public at large can be benefited and facilitated. Last year, we developed 200-bed quarantine centers. Then one of our quarantine center, the hospital of our Ayurvedic Medical College, was converted into a COVID L1 hospital. When there was no immunity booster available, the team at our Ayurvedic Medical College was preparing immunity boosters. When there was no sanitizer available, our team at Shobit University Meerut was making sanitizer and distributing it freely. I am happy that your efforts had been acknowledged not only by individuals or local administration or authorities, but the university was acknowledged by AICTE also. My compliments to you all. And this is all what a country, a Ganatantra has to do, where involvement of everybody is important, where welfare of everybody is important. Let us work more. I am sure that coming year will be an important year for us. Whatever we were not able to do in last few months, we will be doing it. We will contribute more for the progress of the society. We will work to make India not only a Vishwa Guru of knowledge again, we will work to see that India becomes a destination of knowledge for all those who are willing to study outside their country. We have to become an innovation hub. We have to become a researcher. We have to become a knowledge hub. And with knowledge-centric economy, we have to lead the world. I wish everybody a very happy Republic Day again. Let us join hands to strengthen our nation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Pranam.